Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about this stunning pure viscose Georgette Zari sari. Did I recently came across this sari is heavy Zari zal work with all over work that is simply breathtaking. The best part, its price just 12.50. The sari is made of pure viscose Georgette, which is a lightweight and flowy fabric that wrapped beautifully. The Zari work is what really set this sari apart. It's intricate and details with a heavy zari work add a depth dimension to the design. What I love about this saree is that its versatility, and you can wear it to a wedding or formal event or dress it down for a more casual occasion. The zari all over work means that there's no need to for a lot of jewelry, just a simple pair of earrings and maybe a bracelet or two. Overall, I think this sari is an absolutely still at 12.50. It high quality, beautiful designed, and can be worn in so many different ways. If you are in the market for a new sari, I highly recommend it checking this one out. And guys, if you want to purchase this sari, then actual link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.